What's good, YouTube? Here's another how to deliver for a different service. This last one being Postmates. I haven't done a review on which one I would suggest to people, but this would be the least likely. Depending on your market, it may be more popular, may be easier. Personally, where I'm at, I haven't enjoyed it. My brother hasn't enjoyed it, but I'm going to show you how to use it so that if you need to in your market, you can. Now, to sign up for Postmates, you need to be 18, you have a U.S. driver's license, a registered vehicle that's insured, and you'll have to go through a background check, same as everything else. They will send you a card. Depending on your market, you may only be able to use the card, which was how my brother's case was when he was back in Montana. Or if you're in a bigger market, you may not have to, as it'll be similar to how Uber Eats is, or DoorDash, where you can just pick up the meal once it's there and it's ready. This is how the app looks. It is similar to how Uber Eats work. They have the little menu up here to go online. Earn $2.20 if I do. Earn $2.20 for your next 45 deliveries. Different things, $4 delivery now until 9:30. There's different things. I have a balance to quick cash out, different things like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and go online. As you see, we're in a surge area. This thing is going to kind of bleep or whatever like that, but just like any other delivery service, you're going to want to head towards the area of where there is restaurants or places that do go out for deliveries, and preferably better ones than your fast food ones, is that you'll be able to make more on tip. Accept. We're gonna hit accept. I hate McDonald's. So navigate to where it's at. It's gonna pull us up on the Google Maps. I don't really like how the interface on Postmates is set up, but it is what it is. For customer, we're gonna click on the customer. It's gonna tell us what we need. And we're gonna message here. It said, please ask for ketchup. Once you get it, hit confirm order. Hit complete pickup. Swipe across. All right, we picked up one. It says leave at the door for Jen. We're gonna continue. And once you take the picture, complete drop off. Or you can get the tip as soon as the tip is put on there. For that, well, as well, I will leave a link in the comment section to sign up, as well as my promotional code for you to get a guarantee after a certain amount of deliveries, which varies by where you live. Hope you learned how to do Postmates.